Hi everyone, welcome back to Rooted in Design. Today I want to talk about when is it worth it to do an addition in your property or should you move? I think a lot of that is sitting with yourself and understanding where your life path is going. If you really like your neighborhood, you like your house, you just need more space, it's for sure worth it because it'll add value to your home. And if you're keeping that house in the family through generations, the investment in that addition will be double or threefold. If you're looking to potentially move in a short period of time, say in the next couple years, up to like 5 years, it's understanding at that point what the return on investment is because you want to make sure that the addition is costing you less than what you'll be getting back in your appraisal. Because you can go into an addition that you ask for everything you want in that moment in time, but if it's not a long-term investment for yourself, it might not appraise at the level you invested back in because you're using a lot of luxury elements or materials. So at that point, you might want to trickle back on some of those elements and assess where is that line of making profit for yourself at the end of that appraisal. But like I said, I would look at that in the like short-term plan. If it's long-term, it will come back and help you with that value as well. I also think that the first and foremost element there is it even feasible to do it on the property? Some houses out here in Long Island are already overbuilt or in like non-conforming lots that may lead to spending more time for a variance to get things approved. So having that knowledge first will really give you the right information of how you want to approach it. And I would say also when you're doing an addition, that say you do plan to move out and it's things for you now, but you want to make sure gives value when you sell it, say 5, 10 years from now. You want to make sure that you're adding timeless elements. I always say, the way our society is going, it's always good to have master bedrooms on the first floor. So if you don't have one, in addition, you, to implement that would be great. It might also help you if you are aging in place because then you can have your master on the first floor at all times. And then second floor can always be when your grandkids come visit in the future or where your kids currently have more private space for themselves. So all of that we can talk about when I do my exploratory call, really understanding nuances, and I can give you the best advice of how to take your project moving forward. Hope this was helpful, and thank you.
Are you a homeowner who is looking to expand your home so you have enough space for everything you need in your home? Or do you want to renovate because the interior just doesn't work for your needs anymore? Or are you someone who's looking for a property, but nothing that you've been looking at really fits what you need? Well, my name is Katherine Serrano Sosa. I'm the founder of Rooted Architecture Studio, and I can help you bring those renovations and adjustments to life. At Rooted Architecture Studio, we focus on creating meaningful, inclusive, client-centric designs for homeowners and investors. We walk you through the whole process of designing construction and making sure that you understand what's going on, but take away all the layers so you can sit back and just focus on the deliverables of what we're designing. We make sure that your non-negotiables are integrated and your wants and needs are integrated to the best of our abilities. So if you are looking to do anything that I just discussed or just have ideas that you might want to talk about what the possibilities may be, give us a call and reach out through social media as well, and we'll be happy to help you. And if you're looking for a new property, make sure to connect with Dream Select Realty. They're the right people to help you find the right property for you and make sure that your needs are integrated. Or if we're renovating, we can all collaborate together to bring that vision to life.